Under the scorching desert sun, the thunderous roar of rotor blades slices through the air as a UH-1Y Venom helicopter carves its path across the rugged landscape northeast of Marine Corps Air Station, Yuma, Arizona. Marines with Marine Light Attack Training Squadron 303 are in the midst of a high-intensity live-fire exercise, honing their skills in the art of close air support, a crucial element in modern battlefield operations. As the helicopter hovers over the arid expanse of the California desert, the crew wastes no time locking on to their simulated targets. The deep, commanding barks of the GAU 21.50 caliber machine gun echo through the canyon walls, its rounds tearing through the air with relentless precision. In a devastating symphony of firepower, the M134 minigun unleashes a blinding torrent of lead, its barrels spinning in a blur as it saturates the enemy positions below with suppressive fire. This exercise is more than just a training mission. It is a display of the Marine Corps' lethality, precision, and unwavering commitment to battlefield dominance. The UH-1Y, a combat-proven platform, demonstrates its versatility by providing agile and effective aerial fire support. With every burst of gunfire, the Marines sharpen their combat effectiveness, ensuring that when called upon in real-world scenarios, they can deliver with deadly accuracy and overwhelming force. Captured through the lens of U.S. Marine motion imagery by Sergeant Chad J. Pulliam, this high-definition footage immortalizes the raw intensity of the Marines in action, warriors who train relentlessly to be the best, prepared to bring the fight to the enemy anytime, anywhere.
Yep, visual. Ceasefire, right, guys. Roger. All right. Gunfighter, 1-4, copies all. Watch update to situation update. Over. We prosecuted multiple BMPs, BTRs. Then we've also prosecuted a convoy of BTRs with dealer 5-5.